This modern luxury landed home in the East stands as a statement of refined elegance, where light, proportion and material work in perfect balance. Every corner was designed with precision, pairing natural stone, gold mirror finishes to create a sophisticated sense of calm.
The marble wrapped staircase reflects a seamless blend of craftsmanship and geometry. Each rail and edge was aligned to perfection, while concealed lighting highlights its form like art in motion.
The powder room showcases elegance with polished marble, gold accents and circular mirrors, a refined yet striking statement.
Even functional elements were elegantly concealed. The book shelter seamlessly built into the carpentry to preserve visual flow and accessibility.
Ascending to the mezzanine, the double volume ceiling opens up to the master suite, a sanctuary designed around light and relaxation. The rotatable TV allows flexible viewing between the bed and lounge, while gentle curves and warm lighting soften the grandeur of the space. Each of the children's rooms carries its own story. The boys' room features a geometric wall, a rhythmic play of depth and light that feels both bold and modern.
One of the girls' rooms embraces curved and a round bed, artistic, fluid, and expressive. The other features a soft green and white palette with beaded detailing, timeless and elegant, with a gentle personality that grows with her. The attic is where luxury meets leisure. The entertainment area is designed for gathering with hidden speakers and LED detailing that continue the home's design rhythm.
The adjoining bathroom carries a darker, more dramatic tone, rich stone textures, warm lightings, and metallic highlights that exude a hotel suite ambience. Every inch of this home was designed with intent, a study in precision, proportion, and flow.
From the marble staircase to the skylit attic, every space captures the essence of refined living. This is modern luxury at its purest, timeless, graceful, and built for a life beautifully lived.